Elizabeth Shaha. I'm the New College Learning Strategist, and today we're going to learn about the 4-month calendar. So this is one of the most important time management tools because it'll give you an understanding of what your semester will look like way in advance. So first off, you would need to set up a 4-month calendar. You would get each of the months, so January, February, March, April, if you're seeing this in the winter. If you're seeing this video in the fall, it would be September, October, November, December. And again, you could use this in the summer months as well. You could Google blank calendars for each of the months and you could organize it in this way, or you could go to the UC bookstore and find the dry erase version and you could reuse that each semester. So once you set that up, I want you to go through each of your syllabus and extract all of the deadlines that are coming up. And again, all of these deadlines are provided to you by your course instructors and professors way in advance. So plotting all those deadlines will give you a chance to see what your term will look like, what busy weeks you have, what breaks you have in between. This is also really helpful because if you do have any overlapping deadlines, it's a good idea for you to ask for extensions in advance. And just in case you are not granted those extensions, you could still plan ahead. You could also use the 4-month calendar to pre-book any of your writing center appointments, learning strategist appointments, meeting with a librarian or an academic advisor. So overall, managing your time this way will hopefully be very helpful in taking charge of your term. And I hope this really helps for you and good luck this semester.